What's going on, YouTube family? I'm sorry that I've been gone so long. I've been so busy, but that's no excuse. So today I'm gonna try to knock out about 2 to 3 videos so I can have constant content for you guys. If you're new here, slap the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna call you guys no more. Y'all mechanics from now on, because I love you guys that much. If you're not, like I said, if you're not a member, subscribe, become a mechanic today. It's really easy and free. I'm bringing you a treat. Sausage, gravy, biscuits. I can't even get it out. I'm so excited about it. Last time I made it, it was so good, but I didn't do a video for it because I like testing my recipes first. Some people just, oh, let me look up a recipe and then they make it for you guys and never test it. No, I tested this and this is so good. Like, let me tell you something. You make this for your non-vegan friends and I guarantee they won't say, is this vegan? Is this not vegan? Look, stay tuned. I'm talking way too much. Let's get down to what y'all really care about, and that's the food. Okay, I already have 3 cups of all rise. I'm sorry. 3 cups of self-rising flour. I'm gonna take a little smart balance. Jesus Christ. Maybe I should do the dishes next time before I start cooking. Oh, that's right. Guess what? I did them last night. Take a little butter. Cut the butter up in the bread. The flour. By the way, this is gonna make a butt ton of mess. My wife asks me to make this all the time. She always asks me to make it. And I'm like, I don't feel like cleaning this up. So once you cut your butter up in there, you wanna add some cold milk. I'm using sweetened almond milk. I suggest you use unsweetened, but I like the way it makes my biscuits taste, so use what makes you happy. I don't have an exact measurement, but I just pour a little bit in and I stir it up until I see the consistency that I'm going for, and I'll show you what that consistency looks like. You want it kind of like a loose dough. You see how it's getting there? Need to add just a little bit more because you want the dough to be able to form up. So if I had to guess, that was about a half cup to a cup to 3 cups of this flour. Need just a bit more. Just a bit more. My house feels like it sounds empty right now. It's because all the kids are gone. Wife's gone, selling houses and shit. Shoot. Don't mind my smoke detector. There we go. Alright, that's the consistency you want to see. Beat that thing up. Whoop whoop. Now you just want a little flour there. See, this is the part where I say it's going to start to make a mess. You see this? YouTube, I hope you can see it. Damn! Mechanics, that made a big ass mess. You know how bad my wife is going to have feelings about this? Look, okay, just spread it out a bit. Spread it. I really have so much to do today, but I've really been feeling like I find my freaking little cutter. So I'll see if this works. Because you want some thick biscuits. What I normally do is use a lid off a mason jar to form my biscuits. And then that's just gonna go on a baking tray. Be sure to preheat your oven. Don't be a jabroni like me. that's what they look like coming out of the baking tray. I'm sorry, on the baking tray. I melted some butter, threw a little salt in it to make my own vegan salted butter. And you're just gonna wanna brush that right over the top of it. I got my biscuit recipe from Facebook Food Network thing. Hopefully that doesn't fall apart. Normally I make it a little thicker than this, so hopefully this works out. But just we'll put the butter right on the top. Last time I made this was really good. Also, shout out to the Lone Vegan on Instagram. I'll put the name on here. Now, with your oven on 450, you put this in the oven. Now that wasn't too bad. Now it's time to be on to the sausages. And then we're gonna make the gravy too. For sausage, this is what I'm using. This is really good. We're gonna use that beat up knife. We're gonna use the wrench knife. So, you cut right into it. As you see, it's just like the sausage you remember, like growing up and stuff. If you were eating pork sausage when you grew up. They already flavor it with some sage. You can smell that, or you can open it. So you just want to form some patties. This is how I did mine. Form the patties up, and squeeze the sausage out. Have your pan preheated. I'm using a cast iron pan. I'll put a little cooking spray in it to help prevent this from sticking. But I'm so excited about this recipe. Now you just want to cook that. Keep on cooking it. Let it brown on both sides pretty good. Make sure it's cooked well through. I'm starting on my dry ingredients. Those are the dry ingredients right here. And I'll write them off to you or sound them off. Also check the description box. They will be in the description. But for the gravy, you want to mix 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of red sage, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper each, and 1/8 of ground thyme. If you don't have time,
ain't nobody got time for that.
But nah, on the real, I don't have any time. So you get that mixed up right there. That's what you're going to use for your the basis of your gravy. That's what it should look like. So you want to mix that up. And you're going to actually cook the flour. Alright, so now I'll show you what I mean. Pour that in there. In the cast iron pan, you let it get nice and toasty smelling. Meanwhile, while that's doing that, you want to get 3 cups of milk. Whatever milk is your choice, just don't let it be dairy. 3 cups of it. Oh, the smell is so good. Try not to spill it like me. While the gravy's doing its thing, shit. I'm gonna chop up the sausage. thicken up nicely. Make it a good old country style gravy. When you're all done, you should have something that looks sort of like this. And I'm trying to tell you how good this is. This is like non-stop goodness. So hearty, so filling. Look at this. Look at this. That's so good. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Eat Rats Not Ass. I'm out.